So I have almost finished this book. The first part I have finished. Dr. Kunin basically demolishes the quote-unquote settled science that proclaims that humans are causing the climate to change. In the end, the conclusion that I would get to would be the climate is changing, yes. The climate has always changed, and the climate will continue to change. People have very little influence on it. The argument that the Church of Climate Change has been making has been based upon manipulated data. It has been said before that there are lies, there are damn lies, and then there are statistics. This would seem to be the case. They've fudged the data to make it say what they want it to say. Part 2 of the book, the final part, is an analysis of the so-called steps that we need to take to stop climate change. I haven't completely finished that portion. I am much more than halfway through it. And because it is a very small section of the book, the conclusion that I infer from my reading thus far is that it really doesn't matter what we do. We're not going to stop climate change, and we have so little influence on the process of changing climate that we almost shouldn't even bother. The approach that he would recommend, from what I infer, would be more along the lines of we need to protect the environment. We're not going to protect the climate. But if we are responsible with the environment, then we will have made great strides. I mean, even if we had the one world government and the one world order, where those in power dictate actions and everyone has to do them, the result as far as climate change goes would be negligible. So according to him, the Church of Climate Change is a church of hoax, where the rich will only get richer and the rest of us will be living in caves. The next one I want to study is this one. This author, Dr. Curry, is a professor emeritus of Earth and Atmospheric Sciences at the Georgia Institute of Technology. So she has drunk the Kool-Aid, and I have read very little of her prologue to the book. And yes, definitely she has drunk the Kool-Aid. She is a full advocate of human-caused climate change, and her whole book here is going to be trying to scare everyone into drastic changes to stop it, shall we say. So I may or may not actually finish this one, because as yet I am unconvinced. I'll let you know.